Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how you can promote Amazon affiliate products on Pinterest by using a method that works, okay? And we are going to use only free tools. So first thing you need to do, you need to come here on Pinterest trends because we wish to find the latest trends on Pinterest. And here you can see what is currently trending on Pinterest: winter sparkly nails, Christmas party food ideas, homemade gifts, and so on and so on. I'm making this video in the time of Christmas, so it makes sense that Christmas themes are currently trending. Here you can see shopping trends, search trends. Here you can see Christmas nails, elf on the shelf ideas, and so on and so on. Like I said, I'm making this video at time of Christmas. These are editor picks, and here you can see Pinterest predicts for 2026. Now this can be very, very useful. But what I like to do, I like to find trends here where it says shopping trends, okay? And here you can see razors and shaving tools. Now that is a good topic. Coffee and tea cups, I don't really like that. Dress pants, I don't really like that either. Here you can see nails again, drinkware, gloves and mittens. Now this can be a good topic. 50%, 54% increase. Now this is a seasonal trend. Here you can see the decorative tapestries. Here you can see lip balms, lip care. Now here you can see, okay, cookie cutters. Now this is 40% increase in this trend. Now this can be really, really interesting. So I will click on it just to get more information. Here you can see in past 30 days, 40% increase, okay? Pin saves 7% down. Now that doesn't really matter to me. This is what matters to me. Outbound clicks. That means that 40% is increase of the clicks away from Pinterest on this topic here, cookie cutters. And that means people are buying this product, okay? And I sorted this by outbound clicks, as you can see here. And here you can see it is actually increasing, and it is currently 100%, okay? So this is a hot trend. And here you can see mostly people from 25 to 44 years old are into this trend, and mostly female, and that actually makes sense, okay? And here you can see some related topics, and here you can see other product categories. So this is a category for me, but now I need to see, are there any people who are actually searching this on Pinterest? Now I know that there are, because this is a hot trend on Pinterest, but I need to see how many people. So I will simply copy this keyword and I will go on Pinterest keyword planner in Pinterest ads, and then I will click here and then I will search cookie cutters. And when I click here, and okay, here you can see, give it a few seconds, I will move this here. Here you can see I can get between 102 and 116,000 impressions. Here you can see weekly about between 47 and 95,000 impressions. Reach can be between 47 and 95,000. So that means that there is actually a lots of people searching this topic here on Pinterest. But now I need to see my competition. Is there any competition on Pinterest for this keyword? So I will simply go here on Pinterest and I will simply search that keyword. And here you can see there are people who are searching that. Cookie cutter shapes, cookie cutters Christmas, cookie cutters DIY, and so on and so on. But I just wish to see cookie cutters. Press enter and I installed sort pin so I can check out my competition. And here you can see this post here has 446 likes, 14 saves. This was made 2 years ago, okay? 229, 183, 5,230 saves, likes, 5,230 likes. Just a year ago. This post was made a year ago. Here you can see there is competition, but it's actually not that big. It's actually not that strong. And that means if I make a good Pinterest pin, and if I optimize that pin, as you can see, most of these pins are not optimized. That means I can rank that pin high on Pinterest search results for this keyword. And that means I can get lots of free traffic. So now I actually need to see, are there any good products that I can promote? So for that, I will go here on Amazon and I will search exactly the same thing. Here you can see cookie cutters. Here you can see there is lots of ideas, but I will search just cookie cutters. And here you can see there is actually lots of cookie cutters. And here you can see, for example, 5,600 reviews. On average, 4.7 stars, which means this is actually a really good product. But I'm trying to, okay, this looks like a really good. Kids would love this, okay? Cookies shaped like this. 1,400 reviews, on average 4.7 stars. So let's say, for example, I wish to promote this product here. So now what I need to do, I actually need to make a video. Pinterest is pushing videos because they are competing with Instagram Reels, with TikTok, okay, and YouTube Shorts. So they are pushing videos, and videos are getting more impressions on Pinterest, and they are getting more engagement. So what I need to do, I need to go here on ChatGPT and I need to give it a prompt. So I can say something like this, for example, make me a very engaging script for a YouTube short video about cookie cutters, and press enter. And now ChatGPT will do exactly that. Now ideally, I like to do this not just on ChatGPT, but also on Google Gemini and also on DeepSeek, just to see which of these AI will give me best script, okay? And here you can see they wrote this script. So now I need to give it a new prompt. As you can see, this video will be up to 30 seconds long. So I will give it a new prompt. I will say something like this. Describe each scene in detail so that the short videos can be made for each scene, okay? And then press enter. And now ChatGPT will detailedly describe each scene for this video. Here you can see the hook between 0 and 2 seconds long. And here you can see it is writing the rest of this video. Here you can see the twist, and here you can see mind-blowing moment, and here you can see there is entire script for the entire video, okay? So let's say, for example, I will take this scene here. I simply need to copy this scene here, okay? This description, Ctrl+C, and now I need to go here on Grok, and I need to click here on create an image. And then here I will choose video, and also I will choose vertical video, and here I will give it a prompt, okay? This is my prompt that I actually took from ChatGPT. Press enter, and now Grok will generate this video for us totally free, and it will include even voiceover and music if you add that as well, okay? Here you can see generating currently 50% created. It is creating these videos really fast, and these videos are actually really good, as you will see in just a few seconds, okay? Here you can see 99%. It is ready. Here you can see how this looks.
It's about creativity.
And this is just scene number 1. I can create scenes for I can create video for each of these scenes. There is just 7 scenes. As you can see here, this is scene number 7, between 27 and 30 seconds long. Now, I created just this one video for the purpose of this video. Of course, you will create more videos. So what I need to do, I simply need to download this video to my desktop, okay? Of course, I would make a much better video than this one here, and I would add a better hook, I would add a better scene, I would add more engaging and more interesting video, and even a bit controversial video than this one here. So next thing I need to do, I need to go back here on Pinterest, and I need to click here, and then I need to click here on create a pin, okay? And then here I need to click, and I need to find the video that I just downloaded from Grok, okay? So let me just go here on downloads. This is the video. I will click here, and this is the video. So now I need to optimize this video. I need to add a title that contains my main keyword. Here I need to add description that contains my keyword, but here you can see a link. Now I will not add any links. I will not add my Amazon affiliate link, okay? Here I need to choose a right board, and here I need to choose right tags, okay? So let's say, for example, cookies, okay? Cookies, and let's say, for example, chocolate cookies. Okay, chocolate cake, chocolate chip cookies, and so on and so on. And here what I need to do, I actually need to go back here on Amazon, and I need to click here, get the link, okay? And this is my Amazon affiliate link. I need to go back here, and now I need to click here on add a products, okay? and then I will click here, use a link, and then I will paste my Amazon affiliate link here, press enter, and now they will try to find that product on Amazon. Okay, just give it a few seconds. And here you can see they found this product. And let's say, for example, I will use this image here. Just click on it, give it a few seconds, and that's it. I tagged this product here. And I can click here, and I can actually go back here on Amazon, and I will go back here. And let's say, for example, I wish to tag this product here as well. I will simply click on it, click here to get my Amazon affiliate link, copy that link, go back here on Pinterest, click here, use link, and I will paste that link here, press enter, give it a few seconds to actually find that product on Amazon. And let me just choose one of these images. Let's say, for example, this one here, give it a few seconds. As you can see, I tagged 2 products, and all I have to do now is just click here on publish, and I will publish this video. And if this video goes viral, I can get 50, 100,000 views. From those, let's say, for example, 100,000 people, at least 100 of them will buy that product. Now, cookie cutters are not expensive, so you probably won't make that much money. You will just make just a few cents per sale. So you will need to make quite a lot of sales, probably 10 to 15,000 to make some serious money, okay? But if you are selling some more expensive products, you can make $1, $2, $3, maybe even $5 per sale. So if you make just 100 sales, you can make up to $500. If you make 1,000 sales, you can make $5,000 with this method. And trust me, guys, you will need some time to get some experience, to get some knowledge, to know how to create videos that will potentially go viral on Pinterest. So you will need to invest some time, and you will need to invest some work, okay? That is really important. I'm being honest with you here. But once you learn that, once you start making those videos, trust me, guys, you will easily make 5 videos that will go viral every month. You will probably be getting more than 1 million views every month on your Amazon affiliate videos here on Pinterest, and you will probably make at least 500 sales every month. And you will be making easy money with Amazon affiliate marketing by uploading AI videos here on Pinterest. But like I said, it takes some time, it takes some work, but you will make money, okay? That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.